Good morning all. Today's topic is subsequences and some frequently erasing limits. So first concept is subsequences. So its definition is we have a sequence, let an be a sequence if n1, n2, n3 etc. nk etc. be a sequence of positive integers such that I greater than j implies ni greater than nj. Then the sequence an1, an2 etc. ank is called subsequence of an. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ആദ്യത്തെ ടേമിൽ നിന്ന് അതിൻ്റെ ടേംസ് കുറച്ച് ചൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. പക്ഷേ ഒരു കണ്ടീഷൻ ഉണ്ട്, ഇഫ് ഐ ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ ജെ ദെൻ എൻ ഐ ഷുഡ് ബി ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ എൻ ജെ. ദർ ആർ സം എക്സാമ്പിൾസ്. We have a sequence of positive integers. We can find some subsequences. First subsequence is even sequence of even integers 2, 4, 6 etc. അടുത്ത sequence of odd integers. അത് നമ്മൾ കുറച്ച് full integers ഇല്ല, odd integers മാത്രം. It's also a subsequence. Now we can took the sequence of prime numbers 2, 3, 5 etc. So they are all subsequences of positive integers. Now we have subsequences and convergence. If a subsequent converges to L, then all of its if a sequence converges to L, then all of its subsequences converges to L. So ഒരു സീക്വൻസ് എല്ലിലേക്ക് കൺവേർജ് ചെയ്യണതിൻ്റെ സബ്സീക്വൻസ് എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാലും കൺവേർജസ് ടു എൽ. പക്ഷേ തിരിച്ചുള്ളത് അതിന് സബ്സീക്വൻസ് കൺവേർജ് ആയി നിർത്തേണ്ട സീക്വൻസ് കൺവേർജൻ്റ് ആവണമെന്നില്ല. വി ഹാവ് ദ സീക്വൻസ് -1 raised to n. -1 raised to n ആദ്യത്തെ എലമെന്റ് -1 ആണ്, അടുത്ത 1 ആണ്, പിന്നെ -1 1 അങ്ങനെ ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റീവ്ലി പോവാണ്. വി ക്യാൻ ദ സബ്സീക്വൻസസ് 1 1 1 എന്നുള്ളൊരു സബ്സീക്വൻസസും -1 -1 -1 എന്നുള്ള വേറൊരു സബ്സീക്വൻസും ഉണ്ട്. 1 1 1 എന്നുള്ള സബ്സീക്വൻസ് കൺവേർജസ് ടു 1 and -1 -1 -1 എന്നുള്ള സബ്സീക്വൻസ് കൺവേർജസ് ടു 1. But the sequence -1 raised to n does not converge. It's oscillating sequence. It's an oscillating sequence. Now some limits that arises frequently in sequences. First one is limit n tends to infinity ln by n which is equal to 0. We have shown it earlier in the when we did the limit of sequences. Next one, limit n tends to infinity nth root of n equal to 1. For that, to prove this, let n is equal to nth root of n. Then ln n is equal to, if we take the logarithm, this value is 1 by n ln n. Root will be changes to 1 by n. Then limit n tends to infinity ln n is equal to limit n tends to infinity ln n by n. So this is in the form infinity by infinity form. So we can apply L'Hopital rule by taking derivative of numerator and denominator. So this is derivative is 1 by n, here 1, taking using L'Hopital rule, using L'Hopital rule. So now we are applying limit n tends to infinity 1 by n equal to 0. So limit n tends to infinity ln n equal to 0. Now take f of x equal to e raised to x, and therefore f of x is continuous everywhere. Continuous everywhere. Therefore, using continuous function theorem of sequences, ln an tends to 0 implies f of ln an tends to f of 0, which implies f of ln an is e raised to ln an tends to e raised to 0, which is equal to 1. Therefore, limit n tends to infinity, n raised to 1 by n is equal to 1. Next one is let limit n tends to infinity x raised to 1 by n is equal to 1. Let an is equal to x raised to 1 by n. Then ln an is equal to 1 by n ln x. Limit n tends to infinity, ln an is equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 by n into ln x, which is equal to limit n tends to 1 by n is equal to 0 into ln x, which is equal to 0. Now take f of x equal to e raised to x. Then continuous function theorem for sequences. Limit ln an tends to 0 implies f of ln an tends to f of 0, which implies e raised to ln an tends to e raised to 0, which equal to 1, implies e raised to ln an is an tends to 1, that is limit n tends to infinity, an is x raised to 1 by n, which is equal to 1 for x greater than 0. Next result is limit n tends to infinity x raised to n equal to 0 when mod x less than 1. When x equal to 0, the sequence is 0 0 0 0 etc. and limit n tends to infinity x raised to n equal to 0. Now consider mod x less than 0. Mod x 0 less than mod x less than 1. So since mod x less than 1 implies 1 by mod x is greater than 1. Therefore, there exists a number p such that 1 by mod x is equal to 1 plus p. Consider 1 plus p all raised to n, which is equal to 1 plus np plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial plus etc. plus p raised to n using binomial theorem. Therefore, mod x raised to n is equal to 1 by 1 plus p raised to n, which is less than 1 by 1 plus np. Limit n tends to infinity, 1 by 1 plus np is equal to 0, and therefore by Squeeze theorem limit n tends to infinity mod x raised to n is equal to 0.